answer a few questions about skin conditions in pets. The common symptoms that you'll see in your pets are redness, as well as itchiness, losing hair, and sometimes they may have little lesions such as pimples or little papules. There are many different causes of skin problems in dogs. The most common one is things like parasites, so fleas and ticks. Your pet might have an infection such as a bacterial infection or a yeast infection or fungal infection such as ringworm. But there are other causes such as autoimmune conditions, and this is where the body actually fights its own cells. Your pet can get allergies, and these allergies may be due to food, due to contacts or something that your pet is coming into contact with, allergens such as pollens, different types of grasses. Other causes are hormonal problems, as well as different types of skin tumours. All different breeds of dogs can develop skin conditions, but we do see it more readily in certain breeds. And breeds such as Jack Russells, Golden Retrievers, they're quite common. And then we also have other types of sort of infections that can happen with dogs that have got folded types of skin, like Sharpei's, or Spaniels that have got folds around their mouths that can cause infections in these areas. These are my top tips for pets with skin conditions. So the first thing is you need to make sure that your pet is free from parasites. So I'd recommend that you deworm your pet 3 to 4 times a year, and make sure that you do flea and tick treatments once a month. The second thing is, if you take your dog for a walk where there's a lot of grass, where they potentially can collect pollens on their fur and coat, and if you take your pet to the beach and get sand and salt water on, when you come back from your walk, I recommend that you rinse your pet with fresh water. So the third thing is human treats and foods can sometimes contain substances that can cause allergies in pets. So avoid giving them little biscuits and treats that they might potentially be allergic to. The fourth thing I recommend is giving them a natural supplement that will promote a healthy and glossy coat. This supplement could contain an omega-3 and 6, which will really help as an anti-inflammatory for the skin. The fifth thing is when you're washing your pet, make sure that you use a proper dog shampoo. Human shampoos have a very drying effect on the skin, and this can cause your pet's skin to be itchy. Don't wash your pet too often. I'd recommend sort of once every 2 weeks or once a month, or as needed if they get really dirty, but the more often you wash them, the drier their skin is going to be. And the last one is number 6, is to remember that the whole external ear canal is also made of skin, and it's an ideal environment for bacteria to grow, so it's really important that you cleanse this area, and you can get a special cleanser from your vet, and you should do this every 2 weeks.